Opening ready for install. This is the hardware accessory box shipped with your order. It includes one 4.2 x 70 side frame screw anti-collision block, one 5 x 90 handle screw square shaft, one 4.5 x 47 lock cylinder screw and lock cylinder, a handle, the fixed plugs for hook covers on both ends of the operating sash, fixed plugs for hook covers on both ends, and L-shaped connectors. The tools you will need include a glue gun, level, electric drill, fasteners and tape measure. These doors and windows are ready to install. Left side trim, right side trim, bottom and top slides, hook and cover. Clean the door opening first. Then fit the bottom rail. Apply sealant to both ends. This is the other end. Assemble the four corners of the frame separately. Secure the frame with 4.5 x 47 lock screws. Assemble the other three corners the same way. Mark initial positioning lines for the door frame. Keep all surrounding measurement points at the same position. Place the door frame into the opening. Align the window frame with the initial positioning lines. Use a level to calibrate the levelness and verticality around the door and window. After calibration, temporarily hold it with wooden wedges. Drive screws with an electric drill to secure the window frame. Stop tightening when the screws are secured. Avoid over-tightening to prevent frame deformation. Recheck the horizontal and vertical alignment around the frame before installing the door leaf. Install the fixings first. Secure the door strip ends with screws and L-shaped brackets. Keep the operable sash off for now. Fit the plastic cover onto the top end of the operable sash. This cover is exactly identical to the protective covers for the top and bottom ends of the fixed sash, positioned at the very bottom of the operable sash. Snap the cover into place. This is a 4-panel, double-track sliding door. This is the bottom of the operating sash's plastic cover, whose two ends are different. This is the top. This is the plastic cover top on the fixed sash. Both ends are the same. This is the bottom. Remove the handle cover. Insert the handle square spindle into the inner side of the part with screw holes. Align the handle with the door leaf holes and insert. Secure the handle with the handle screws. Fasten the handle locking cover. Insert the lock cylinder. Secure the lock cylinder with a screw. These are the required mounting accessories for the inner handle and outer grip. 5 x 90 handle screw. Exterior pull handle. Inner handle. Inner handle back cover. Align the inner handle and install it onto the door. Position the outer pull grip. Thread and tighten the handle screws. Attach the back cover handle. Test the smoothness of door opening and closing. Snap on the mounting hole cover. Install the anti-collision block on the passive door's lower right corner. Inject expanding foam into gaps between the door frame and the opening. Clean up excess foam after it solidifies. Apply weather-resistant sealant to gaps between the frame and opening. Peel off the protective film from the profiles.